How to recover Gmail account without two-step verification. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch a Gmail application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and as you tap on it, tap on Add Another Account option. As you do that, tap on the Google option over here, and when you tap on Google, it will start checking the information. So just make sure that you enter your pattern over here, and as you enter your pattern, it will start checking again. So wait for a while until it loads. Now what you need to do is simply launch the email ID over here. So just launch the email ID and then tap on next. As you tap on next, here you can see the option of forgot password. So tap on forgot password over here. After that, here you can see the option of try another way over here under the option of account recovery. So tap on try another way, and as you tap on try another way, it will give you this option. So just tap on try again and tap on next. And as you tap on next, it will give you the option of try another way yet again. So tap on try another way. So as you do that, it will send a verification code to your email ID. So you just have to enter the code that has been provided to you on your email ID that you have associated, and then tap on next, and you'll be able to verify and recover your Gmail account without two-step verification. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.